The fourth World Culture Festival is going to be in Washington, D.C. The world is converging here to celebrate life. People of all different cultures, religion, race, gender and age group are all going to be on one stage, giving the message to the world that we are one world family. A celebration which no one can miss. It will be a historic event in the National Mall, celebrating diversity, celebrating life. Everyone is welcome there. Our Honorable Mayor Muriel Bowser has welcomed the world in Washington, D.C. Let's all celebrate, let's all get together. This is an occasion to bring about love and peace in the world.